We venture right behind the scenes of a typical Norwegian forest and follow expert amateur rewilder and forest wizard startup innovator Samgut Gutvig in his extraordinary work.
I think that's it. I don't think we need more than this. That's it. You know, and now we've rebuilt the structure. This is going to solidify and the whole tree is going to come back to life.
The Forest Wizard project aims to fully repair the Norwegian forests, thereby sequestering and offsetting every gigaton of CO2 emitted by the Norwegian oil industry, thus making Norwegian oil clean oil, ensuring Norwegians can live the good life with a clean and natural conscience.
How did you get started on all this?
Oh, it started way back. Yeah, I guess the journey just started on from there. I've been trying to repair the small trees. I can't do big ones. I need more people for that. And yeah, I just need to start a movement, a worldwide movement. That feels good.
Support the Forest Wizard crowdfunder via the link in the description. Crowdfund perks include a professional rewilding string kit, access to rewilding tutorials with Samgut himself, official Forest Wizard conscience tokens, and much more.
Just 1 million repaired branches could relieve the conscience of 500 Norwegians. Be a part of Samgut's exciting greenwash project.
And save us. Quite literally fucking save us.
Join us next week for more climate emergency solutions and rewilding news.
I skogen, i skogen, men i skogen med grantræn og med gauten og den i kua og inn i kua, den i skogen, men ned i kua, den er skarra, multer, det blåbærer.